We want to take a moment to express our heartfelt gratitude to Sharon from HomeHak. Now we have a place we can call it home. Hello everyone! My name is Shara.
My name is Salem.
And I'm a therapist in a hotel in Cork City.
And I'm an electronics engineer.
We want to take a moment to express our heartfelt gratitude to Sharon from HomeHak. Sharon has been an incredible support for us.
She was very supportive all along the way. She actually guided us through different home suggestions, and we were able actually to find something really good.
Her dedication and expertise made all the difference. Thank you so much, Sharon. Now we have a place we can call it home.
I suppose everyone is aware that finding a home in Ireland is becoming very challenging. What made the difference is that having a secure home, living with the right people sometimes is not easy, but as a couple, Sharon was able to find something that fit both of us, basically. We could actually find something with a really good price. So she had the right contact and she was always supportive and very responsive. So what happened exactly is that Sharon was able to expose us to John, and John was also supportive, and we got the opportunity to check the house, get an idea about what's there, and everything was very smooth and clear, to be honest. So this interaction, I think, between HomeHak and agencies is really effective. It may take some time, but I suppose at the end you will find something that suits everyone.
Exactly.
So
Yes.
I think.
So if you're looking for a supportive and knowledgeable assistant, I highly recommend reaching out to Sharon. Thank you, HomeHak.
Thank you, HomeHak.
Thank you, Sharon, for everything. You truly made this process a joy. Thank you so much.